Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my kitchen. So this is going to be the first video in a new series that I'm starting on my channel called Millennial Meals because obviously I'm a millennial. Secondly, I feel like no one in our generation really knows how to cook too well. Thanks, Mom and Dad. JK, but really, I'm going to show you guys on these millennial meals very simple meals that I have learned to feed myself. I am currently starving, so it is definitely time for me to make myself some lunch. Today I thought we'd start out with something that I make all the time because it's incredibly easy, and it is going to be chicken tenders, french fries with homemade Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm a huge fan of Chick-fil-A, but recently I've kind of researched more about how they hate homosexuals. Not really cool with all that, so I'm trying to steer and kind of wean myself off of Chick-fil-A. I eat Chick-fil-A a lot. I would consider myself like a Chick-fil-A sauce like professional lover times 5,000. I've heard that you can buy a version of Chick-fil-A sauce at Walmart. However, I've never been able to find it at my Walmart, so I have gone through recipes online and found how to make Chick-fil-A sauce at home. I've done it. It tastes incredible. It's amazing. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I do and exactly how to make this meal. It's so easy, so simple. That's kind of the whole point of millennial meals, is they're quick, they're easy, they're simple. Anyone can do them. You need like literally no skill to do these meals, so let's get into it. True to millennial form, I'm not gonna clean my kitchen before, so this is just my life. You're welcome. Okay, so I am going to be using Trader Joe's breaded chicken tenders. You can find these at, obviously, Trader Joe's, my favorite grocery store. Or pretty much every grocery store ever sells frozen breaded chicken tenders. I am a child, so I'm only gonna be making 2 because that's how many I like to eat. Do you want to eat chicken tenders?
Sure.
Okay. I'm gonna throw a couple of extras on for my husband. And I'm also going to be using frozen french fries. Obviously, my life was changed the day that I found out that the chicken tenders and the french fries cook at the same temperature for the same amount of time. The trick to these french fries and getting them crispy is to make sure none of them are overlapped like this. You don't want them sitting on top of each other. So you just have to go through and kind of spread them out and make sure that none of them are overlapped and they're all just on the pan laying flat. Cool, that is literally the hardest part. Now we're almost done. Heating up the oven to 425, and once it's ready, we'll pop this in. I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to flip all the chicken tenders and then let it cook for 10 more minutes. So after a total of 20 minutes, this will all be done. Okay, to make our Chick-fil-A sauce, we are going to need mayonnaise of your choice. You're gonna need barbecue sauce, once again, of your choosing. The recipe I'm following used Sweet Baby Ray's, and it just so happens to be what I have. So this is what I'm going with. Dijon mustard, good old-fashioned yellow mustard, and last but not least, honey. We're going to take 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. That is pretty much gonna be the base of this sauce. This honey is being a pain in my ass. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey once it stops giving me issues. This has literally been the most frustrating part of my entire day. So annoyed with this fucking honey right now. Okay, then we're adding in 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. All right, and then, oh, nope, time to flip my chicken. Now we're adding in 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna go a little heavy on the barbecue sauce, just because that's kind of the predominant taste I get when I taste Chick-fil-A sauce, so I'm filling it up a little bit more. Now we're adding in 1 teaspoon of Dijon. Okay, then it calls for 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, but I'm gonna freshly squeeze it out of this lemon juicer, and boom, there we go. All right, and then obviously the final step is mixing it all together. All right, and there we go. Homemade Chick-fil-A sauce. Beautiful. Just taking a little bit of salt and salt in the fries because I'm not an animal. Woo. Ta-da! That is it, guys. Homemade Chick-fil-A chicken strips, french fries, Chick-fil-A sauce, all that good stuff. Only took 20 minutes, and to feed me and my husband, this probably cost like, I don't know, maybe like $5 because you don't use the whole bag of french fries or the whole bag of chicken tenders. So it's very economical too at the same time. So that's all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm definitely going to continue to make super easy meals on my channel in the future. If there's anything you'd like to see me attempt, let me know that too. I'm gonna go because I'm starving and dying to eat this. I love you guys. I'll see you next Wednesday. Have a good week. Bye.